Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on March the 14th, 2018. I'm Darren Sinden, and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. A relatively quiet session across both foreign exchanges and the world of cryptocurrencies yesterday. I will just flag a couple of key points though. First of all, a bounce in the Aussie dollar, up by around 0.2% against the greenback overnight. Maybe a bit of a delayed reaction to moves we saw in the Kiwi against the US dollar over the last week or so. The dollar also losing ground to the Brazilian real yesterday, down by around 0.4% against the Brazilian currency. As I say, a very quiet day, unusually quiet in fact, on the cryptocurrencies. Very little movement in those instruments there yesterday either. Right then, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the markets today. First of all, then we have the ongoing meeting of European ministers at the Eurogroup. That's continuing today. We've also had retail sales and industrial production data out of China. First thing, that was at 2 o'clock GMT. To come at 7 a.m. this morning, we have the HICP, the Harmonised Index of Consumer Prices for February out of Germany, the ECB's preferred measure of inflation. And speaking of the ECB, at 8 o'clock we have the first of a round of central banker speeches, starting with Mario Draghi taking to his feet. Then he'll be followed at 8:45 by his colleague Prié. And then at 10 o'clock GMT we'll have industrial production for the Eurozone, year on year and month on month for January. At 10:45 we'll hear from ECB Vice President Vitor Constantio. Jump forward to 12:30 and to the US, and we'll have retail sales data for February, a key data point this, and obviously a very important one as far as the health of the US consumer and their propensity to spend is concerned. We'll also see at 12:30 factory gate inflation data, PPI data for February, and a key point here obviously as well for the Fed's decisions on interest rates. 16:15 we'll see ECB member Kerr speaking, and at 21:45 we'll have gross domestic product for the fourth quarter 2017 out of New Zealand. To round the day off, 23:50 sees the release of foreign investment in stocks and bonds from Japan in the week of March the 9th. Right then, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye overnight. First of all, those Chinese industrial production data points easily beat forecast, but Jan retail sales undershot expectations. I suspect that the industrial production data trumps the retail sales data there. US Secretary of State Rex Tillerson will leave his post by the end of March after his shock sacking by Donald Trump yesterday. The question is political risk back on the agenda as far as the markets are concerned? I think it probably is. And staying with things political, the UK prepares to announce fresh sanctions and punitive measures against Russia after the deadlines for explanations over the Salisbury nerve agent poisoning is not met. Right, food for thought then, something to take away with you into the trading day and beyond. Well, why not think about this? President Trump is never far away from controversy, and he finds himself centre stage once more today. But the graphic opposite from MarketWatch takes a look at the numbers rather than the rhetoric during his term of office to date. And actually, on balance, the economy and some of these other financial metrics don't look too bad under President Trump thus far. Coincidence or something to do with him? I'll let you make up your own mind. Right, risk warning time. Please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and foreign exchange on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about those risks or the suitability of the products for you, please contact your Pepperstone account representative.